Hey, I'm right here. Still tearing this engine apart. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking this engine apart. Well, you couldn't hear me. So what? So what? Oh, okay. I hear you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still sitting there getting my hands greasy as hell. Getting myself greasy as hell. That's what I'm doing. Huh? Okay.
Here's the piston.
Alright, okay. Alright.
So you want me to bolt those back together?
Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on now. Still in the classroom.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I was watching. No, I'll keep my mouth shut.
No, you don't keep your mouth shut.
However it came out, you put it back in the same way
Exactly.
it came in. If
Exactly.
that's piston one, then that has to go right back where it came from.
Pull that.
Okay.
Quit trying to keep acting like you don't want to get dirty.
I don't do that.
Well, after today,
You see me getting hand dirty?
after today, when me and you come out here going to work on this thing,
Yeah.
come out here ready to get greasy, dirty, and have. If you want gloves, bring gloves out here.
All right.
But I want you to be walking and strutting like you're doing mechanic work.
All right.
If you're going to help me do this, I
All
don't
right.
want you to be tippy-toeing.
Yeah.
And be trying not to get dirty and stuff.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
And yes, I do. I know you got me so well, baby. Say one little find your way to me, darling. 'Cause I'm waiting on
All
you,
right,
baby.
now, look at this pistol.
Yeah.
I need you, girl.
What I usually do with these, when I take them apart like this,
And yes, I
Yeah.
do. That's all I need. That's all I need.
okay, that's how this one goes on.
Yeah.
Okay? These are supposed to be categorized like that,
Yeah.
and this is supposed to match up. Okay? Right here.
Yeah.
Now, normally, they would have a number stamped on these.
Yeah.
Those, as long as you match those numbers up. What I'll do, I can do when I get another one, because I think these are supposed to be opposite.
Yeah. Let me get it then.
I got it. I think. Okay, now I'm gonna scrape and look and see if I see a number here. There should be a number on here to indicate which cap go to which rod connection rod.
Let me get the wire brush and scrub it.
Let me do this one first. If there's a number, it might not be a number. Now you really know
How?
This supposed to be the piston supposed to be sitting in that certain way. I think this is it right here. This right here
Yeah.
points to the front.
Yeah.
Okay? I believe that's how this goes. Okay? Goes in there like that. It goes up in there like that.
Yeah.
Okay? And this, I don't see no number here.
But it's much too strong to let it go
And there's like a little dent on the top of the piston that tells you which way it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
that we don't build our hopes up too high. 'Cause she's got her own obligations. And so you are. We got a thing going on. We both know that it's wrong, but it's much too strong to let it go now.
Oh,
Well, it's time for us to believe.
see number one?
Yeah.
It hurts so much inside.
We just have to make sure that this goes
Now she'll go
to this.
Yeah.
This goes to this. Right? We know this is number one here. Right?
Yeah.
Set him somewhere.
We gotta be extra careful. We can't afford to feel what you are.
There's something funny. See that X right
I
here?
wanna be
Huh?
That X right here?
Don't turn it over.
Hey, that's supposed to stay on this side.
No, there's another one over here.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, there's another one. Okay.
I hold it, I hold it straight.
Of all the jungle cruises you could take in the Amazon, this one is the most thrilling. Now,
My brother and I are looking for passage upriver.
the wait is over. Here we go. And the adventure begins. Know this about the jungle. Everything that you see wants to kill you. Opens a summer raid to the Amazon. Disney's Jungle Cruise, rated PG-13, may be inappropriate for children under 13. It's limited in theaters now, or order it on Disney Plus with Premier Access. Additional fee required.
Kids need money.
If you notice,
That's why parents
Yeah.
need Greenlight.
I'm using
Greenlight
the
is a
wood
debit
part
card
of the
for
hammer
kids
most.
that parents manage
Yeah, I
by
noticed
app.
that.
With Greenlight, parents can send money instantly, set flexible spending controls, manage chores,
You don't
and
wanna,
monitor
like,
allowance.
jam or
Using their
scratch, that's a
companion app,
sensitive part
kids
in the
can set
engine.
savings goals, track their spending, and donate to charities. Plus, they can customize their debit card with a picture of their choice. Visit greenlightcard.com today for your free 30-day trial.
Like trapped in walls and
have a mark on them. All right, now we know this is cylinder number 3. Number 2. Number 2. This is number 2. Okay, I don't see no mark up here. No mark here neither. Okay? So we know we took this out of number 2. Okay? So, being that that's the case here, I would like to mark each one of these that we took things off. Let's make sure we get them marked somewhere on the top of this piston like that, or I'd rather do it on the top here.
Okay. I'm gonna go in the house and get a Sharpie. You need a Sharpie to do it?
What's the what?
A Sharpie, a marker.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get a marker.
Well, that's okay. Give me that one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how that this is what I wanted to see.
What?
See that?
Let me see.
The cut.
Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah, and that's what.
They all go to the front.
Yeah.
Funky ass parts in here.
Huh?
Funky parts that smell fucked up in here. I can tell you that much.
What do you mean?
Got a bad burnt smell.
This weed?
No, the oil and stuff in the engine.
Oh,
You ain't
shit.
smell that stuff?
I mean, that engine been worn the fuck out, man. It was making a knocking sound. I put tape and then I put a number on it.
Okay. That's number 3 here.
Yeah, that's 1 and that's 2 over there.
That tape so it won't come off of there.
Okay, I'll try.
Not now. You don't got to do it now. Here.
thought there was supposed to be like a bearing, like a thing that's supposed to be between it.
Let me do this first and I'll answer your question. Okay? If I can't look there and try to hit this.
He has some funky oil, boy.
Yes, sir. You don't smell no goddamn brand new shit smell like that.
Where do you think that come from?
Burnt. Being burnt. Being burnt. The additives and all that they put to make this, to make the oil, that's the way it smells.
Oh, yeah. What my lead guitar? Oh, yeah, yeah. Listen, I can tell, see, look at the screens and cornbread. When it's ain't like that, she had to be home, babe. I can tell, see, look at the screens and cornbread.
You got experience
When it's ain't like
doing
that,
this,
she
you
had
can use this to hit this down.
Yeah.
But don't just, I won't recommend this for
Your
you.
granny cooked for you. You left it so true. Slap me if it ain't true. 'Cause I can tell you eat your cabbage greens and cornbread. When it's ain't like that, you had to be home, babe. Oh, babe, she didn't have time. Here's your time to shine. You're looking at your food, so food is what you like. I bet you love gumbo over playing right.
No man, I got brand new ones.
Guys look taste like some sweet potato pie. For dessert, ooh, I think of God. One of your favorite dishes, it gotta be peach cobbler. Tell you we cabbage greens and cornbread. Yeah, say like that, oh, home, babe. I bet you get it from your mama. Cabbage greens and cornbread. Girl, you just say like that, she had to be home, babe. You leave at your body, I can tell you it's southern raised. Your hips are wide, and your booty be shaking today. In Granny's kitchen, always had a hot meal. For the rolls and ice cream, it's how your body make me feel. I wanna know when you gonna let me eat. Trying to eat you, my favorite recipe. Until you eat cabbage greens, oh baby, cornbread with a shape like that. With a shape like that, she had to be home fed. Until you eat cabbage greens and cornbread. With a shape like that, she had to be home fed. Potatoes too, your granny cooked for you.
Take you something and hold this up this way.
Slap me if it
Grab it.
Take this pipe. Grab that pipe and push that. Don't push it hard. Just right there. Yeah. Hold it right there.
They hold it steady too down there.
I don't. Go ahead, grab the piston, man. Why you standing there looking? Come on, you know I ain't but so much. God damn.
Have you played
Got you need to help you do things, man. You got to look.
I was observing, man. My
If
bad.
you don't understand something, then you ask me something.
Slots, blackjack, table games, and more, all online at Chumba Casino. Play with gold coins or sweeps coins, and if you win big with sweeps coins, you can redeem them for cash prizes. Open your free account
Number
today
5.
at ChumbaCasino.com. No purchase
I'm
necessary.
labeling.
Void where
Yeah.
prohibited by law. 18
That's
plus.
what it
Terms
is,
and conditions
really.
apply.
To be
See website
honest
for
with you.
details. Angie's List is now Angie. Whether you need help with routine maintenance or you're planning your dream renovation.
Come on now,
Angie
don't take
connects
all
you
day
with
with
top
doing
local
that.
pros who can get the job done right. See reviews, compare quotes, and book hundreds of projects. Plus, when you book and pay through Angie, we'll cover your project up to the full purchase price, plus limited damage protection with our happiness guarantee. Check out Angie.com, and for more on the happiness guarantee, go to Angie.com/happiness-guarantee.htm.
Everybody needs some help to prepare them. It's a lot of time. Be there for you when things are going rough in life. I like to be the one that the whole world is falling in. I want to be the one to turn to.
I'd like to be the one for the cold winter's night.
Put that back in.
Who would wine and dine by the say to me, let's do it again. I guarantee we'll have a good time. Because you are my friend, I wanna be the one that holds your hand. Going to make you smile. Sit here, you don't have to pretend. I just wanna be the one that holds you. When you're feeling sad, the one that makes you smile. When you're feeling bad, sit here, buddy. You don't have to pretend. I just wanna be the one.
Yeah. But remember where this one
I just wanna be the one that holds
on the other one. This one goes second one to the rear, right hand side.
Any more of that?
I just wanna be there for you when you need someone.
On the bow tie. I don't want to remove the cap because I want to show you how these caps go in.
You say you want me, but you need you, baby. Tell me what am I gonna do about this freaking piece of love affair? If Mr. Beast comes in and catches, oh my goodness, he'll be freaking looking at
Take
your
this ain't a lot
table.
of work.
I never said that. I never said that.
You gotta realize. You say, oh, I
Why do you think I
realize.
pay you so much money? Why do you think I pay you so much
Yes,
money?
sir, man. I hear you.
Like you do. Blooming girls and all that shopping, taking trips for
You get the money's worth, I can tell you that much.
Gotta keep it on the keep it on the. Nobody has to know. Secret lovers
Oh, Lordy.
on the DL getting busy in the night.
I had a very productive day so far.
And some stuff on when he goes home and lets me know that everything is A-okay. Oh, baby, time is getting tight.
Told you not to take them caps off.
And 3th Street as you reminisce and tell me what he used to do for you. You make him kiss to feeling me while he's at home. Me too, it's always if you
You ought to be able to do that with your hands. Otherwise, you're supposed to turn it.
I don't know.
Gotta keep it on the
All right. RTV holding it in. Let me see.
Gotta keep
Go
it
ahead,
on.
keep turning it. Why can't you get the...
Don't get me honest, but this
Come on, man. Make a circle, man.
and the fact that he's not here, it turns us on in every way.
Well, good damn well, I suppose they ain't supposed to take that goddamn long to come out. Hey. Leave that one there. Just leave that one.
Every time I think about that sweetest love you're giving me, I hesitate. He's at the front, I'm in the back. Oh, what's the front? He's in the back, and I'll be damn silly, just screaming, hey, yeah. That's what you get
Don't
for
panic.
looking down.
Hold on. There you
What I kept telling
see
myself.
how I did it? The other one probably
And
the
of
same way.
every woman in the world,
That's good, that's
you
good.
had to go and mess with
Well, break the
Mr.
other one
Big
loose.
Girl. Woo. That's what you get for that down on.
That thing on this straight, boy. Put that thing on there until it ain't straight and you try to yank on it. You'll have you back there goddamn falling 300 times. Keep your hand straight and down. Don't lift your hand up. Go ahead. Pull it.
Comes right back on around again. Yes, it does. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh,
try to keep your wrench as clean as possible.
And sometimes
Gonna slip out your hand and bust your back. Trying to tell you. All right, now, go ahead and do that one. Okay, now, I want you to come here and look. No, you don't. Yeah, but that's RTD or something, or sludge holding that in there. Just come on out of there. Watch this, watch this. See, that's crud and shit holding that in there. Okay?
Last on it.
No, you ain't got to do that. I just want you to see this. Okay? Okay, now, if you look, each one of these has a mark on it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now, if you look at each one, there's an arrow on it. See the arrow? See the arrow?
Yeah.
See the arrow? Okay? See the arrow over here too?
Yeah.
That's the last one. That one don't have, yes, it got an arrow on it. No, but the last one you don't have to worry about. You know the last one is number 7. Okay?
You gotta mark it.
Well,
You gotta write this down.
okay. Well, that's why I told you to get that pen and paper. You mark on there, on crankshaft. Crankshaft. Front to rear. That's what you do. And do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after you got it, look at it. Come on now, I want you to write legible and large enough. I don't want the little small writing. Here, you need to wipe your hand. Wipe real good. You don't want the paper to be all fucked up.
I'm gonna get a new paper.
Okay, but remember what you wrote down.
I just can't let you go. Now I got your ear. Baby girl, I gotta let you know. I go the extra mile to make you smile and just to make your day. I go out my way, I'll do whatever it takes.
Space with numbers, so you know, you'll have
Baby,
more
won't you
numbers.
just stay, baby?
John,
Won't you
Yeah.
on the paper.
I know. Wait.
One, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the way down the line. And then with an arrow, it indicates with that arrow toward the front. That's what you put. And that's it.
Wait. What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And put an arrow pointing and say point to the front, toward the front.
Okay, cool. Don't write down all these little numbers.
No!
All right.
You took good care, always took care of me. Baby, won't you just stay, stay right here.
An arrow like that. Put toward.
Baby, won't you stay,
Okay. No, that's backwards. That's backwards. Yeah, that's all I got.
I want you to believe.
Okay? Okay? Toward the front. And that's it. Like this. See? You turn the paper like this, and you put, that's just the way you're looking at the engine.
All right.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
And then you put here little small arrows like that. Because you know on each bearing, it's got an arrow like that. Except for number 7. This is circle number 7. Okay? That's how you do this.
Enjoy perfection's responsibly. Copyright 2021. Imported
All right.
based on
Now,
claim to work.
take your time and take each one of those
Starting a job
caps
at McDonald's
off.
starts with in-depth training and a chance to start building your skills.
When you put these caps, wherever you put them, put them Like that.
Okay.
Each one.
Can I write down the order?
Can't I tell you what? Yes.
That's what I want to do.
What do you mean? On
I
the
want to
tape?
write down. No, I want to write down the order how they work like this, so I can get it in my head.
No, I got it here now.
Okay, cool.
See, look.
Huh?
Look. 7 of these, right?
Yeah.
You're making things complicated. There you go. Like that. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. All right, put the other one up there. Okay, that's it. Now I just number 7. Yeah. All of them is not labeled. See, don't get confused. Get you something to tap on that, son. Yeah, it's over there.
Looking for a lighthouse, breathing. You said that it was painless, standing out, drowning in the sea of my
Tap.
anguish. But you always
Tap
said
upward.
hope was comprehended, but I can't cope.
Do the other side now.
I got my way
You guys coming up?
back
Okay.
to you.
Yeah, See, the reason this one is not marked is it's the last one. And it's the one that goes in the very rear. Okay? Now, put the hammer down. Yeah, put them somewhere.
I'll take it this side.
I don't care where you take it, as long as you know where they're at.
Man down, my heart's in your hands now. Hit your love and never next in the sand now. No clue, no map, yeah. So I'm digging till I end up in Japan now. Breathing, you said that it was painless. Drowning out, drowning in the sea of my anguish. It's funny, you always said hope floats, comprehended, but I can't go. So I gotta find my way back to you.
I got you, man. I got you. What else?
Way back to you, baby.
All right? Now, all you got to do now is take this, pick up on this end, and pick up on that end together. Okay? Come on, grab it. Take it back there. Wherever you're going to take it.
Heavy.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm
See
good.
what I mean about coming ready to work for the stuff?
I didn't see it.
That carried both of us away. We were so much better when we were together, baby. And I just can't let you slip away. Way back to you, baby.
This camshaft probably can't just pull the camshaft out.
I know.
You may have to get a puller. Yep, I think that's what you need to do. No, wait a minute. There's a bolt in here. Both holding it. There you go. See him right there?
Well, this block is already finished. It's already out.
Yeah, I told you. Come here.
Yo.
See it here. See that?
Yeah.
See that?
Gotta get lower.
There's another one here.
Yeah.
See him right there?
Let's do a full page.
Yeah. Okay, now, when you run into them like this,
I can.
give me a pair of vice grips. Give me a pair of vice grips. A good pair of vice grips. That's actually been broken. Okay.
I may have one. Wally, my clutch on my motorcycle, my clutch pedal went out on my motorcycle. And I put it back on myself.
Oh, yeah.
Ladies looking like they just stepped out of a magazine. And the fellas so fresh and so clean. We didn't have to say a word to the DJ. 'Cause he knew this one to play. And when we put on that soul music, we missed the night away. Yeah, and out tonight, gonna jam, we gotta jam. Dance all up the way, dance all up the way. Gonna let this ride, gonna party like back in the day, party like back in the day. When we were starting so train night, everybody drove right in. Ooh, we started the electric light.
Hydraulic lifters.
It might not ever hit.
So are they stuck in there?
Yeah.
The motherfuckers are stuck.
Yes, it was.
You good?
I wasn't gonna just put these back in there. You can get the lifter?
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
I got the whole kit. Camshaft.
Go ahead and put that somewhere, man. There's stuff dangling there holding that. But you said you got the gear too, right?
Alright, you got the gear and the cam.
You might have to get a cam installing tool.
Alright.
Put the bearings in.
Alright.
I'll tell you what to get.
When do I need to get it? Take this, we want that over here.
No, just move it apart.
Alright, cool. Put these in the house.
Yeah. Okay. And if anything else that needs to go in there, all that, the pan and all that stuff, they put it in the house.
Oh no, that I can't get that shit that greasy over there. But I'm
Okay, well, put it on back in the truck. Put it on back in the truck.
Alright.
One thing is certain, every day is an opportunity for a win. Just like scratches from the Virginia Lottery. Everyday grab and go, everyday gift go, everyday fun. It's where anticipation meets instant gratification. And you're satisfying to scratch no matter the outcome. Like the new Virginia Lottery Scratcher $70 million explosion scratcher, loaded with prizes from $100 to $600. Now that's an everyday winner. Drive down to the retailer today to check out Scratchers. Odds of winning each ride 1.9.13.
Want me to throw the tarp over the engine block or what?
Yeah, but you gotta get everything straightened up, man. Get all the stuff, all the fan, all that stuff put away and get all that, don't worry about that block yet.
Alright.
Get everything put away.